Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay, and I'm here at Walmart, of course. So today I need to finish off my midweek. For that, I needed 10 rebates for $5. I'll also be knocking out the frosting one as well, and for that, I'm gonna get back $10, which is awesome. Flavor Wiki paid out this morning, you guys. I got back $118, you guys. I got back everything for the chips, everything for the plant-based meat. So super stoked getting up this morning and seeing that your girl got paid, which is always awesome. I'm gonna talk about another app as well. It's been around for a while. I thought I had it before. Shopmium. One of you guys hit me up on that one. It's pretty much a lot of the rebates are the same as coupons.com. So you figure coupons.com, Alexa, and Shopmium they pretty much all have the same type of rebates. And so we'll talk about that app as well. I did 2 of the deals. I was able to cash out, went straight to my PayPal. I know the store is going to be super crowded, which is why I'm recording my intro here. Plus somebody said that my intros are too long. I'm just like, there's no such thing as a fast forward button where you just go and you just stop where you see the deal start, because you know your girl likes to talk. All right, so that's the goal for today. I use so many apps right now. One of you guys were asking me, does your brain just work like that? I kind of have a bit of a photogenic memory type deal when it comes to the apps. And if I've seen it, I know I've seen it. I know where I've seen it. But I don't catch everything. And you guys are awesome for that, because sometimes you guys will hit me up in the comments. You'll be like, hey, there's this or there's that. Yeah, your girl doesn't catch everything. All right. And so, but yeah, 5, 10, 15, 16 apps that I use right now, you guys. 16. I'll insert a screenshot. Yeah. And so other than that, you guys, let's get in the store and see what awesome deals we can grab today. Oh, you guys like my sweater? It says to-do list. Nada. Which you guys know is not always the case, because your girl is always doing something. So I'll see you guys in the store for some awesome deals. So this first thing I was looking for, and I remember seeing it here, the Mountain Dew fruit cake. It's there is an offer on Fresh Reward for $1.50 back. I think they are $2.08 here. You're getting back $1.50 on Fetch Reward, and then 25 cents for me on Ibotta. I know some people might have a higher value on Ibotta, but I just have 25 cents, so it'll make it 43 cents. So hopefully I'll find it. I'm curious, I guess, to see what it tastes like. And so yeah. So this next that we're grabbing again is on the Hidden Valley Ranch Packets, priced at $1.88. So we're gonna grab one of these. We're getting back 25 cents on Ibotta, 210 kicks on Shopkick, which is 84 cents. Making this only 79 cents. Of course, we're doing this Hungry Jack deal again. It's priced at $2.77. We're grabbing one of them. We'll be getting back $1 on Ibotta. We'll also be getting back $1 on Shopmium, making it only 77 cents. And of course, we're doing the Del Monte pineapple deal again, priced at $1.78. Getting back 375 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.50, plus 10 cents on inbox dollars, making this only 18 cents. All right, this next deal is on the Pure Life water. It's priced at $1.28. We're gonna grab one of these. We'll be getting back 350 kicks on Shopkick, which is $1.40, plus 10 cents on inbox dollars. I'm making this a 22-cent moneymaker. And this next set of deals, I kind of briefly went over it in one of my last videos. It's on the Ruffles. This is a Flavor Wiki deal. It's on the Ruffles Flaming Cheddar and Sour Cream, which are priced at $3.98. And the smaller bag is the Flaming Hot Barbecue ones, is priced at $2.18. What I did with this deal is I stacked it with 3 of the 49-cent bags that are in the front of the store. Used a 3 off of 5 printable, and I ended up paying $4.63, and then I got back $5 for each on Flavor Wiki. I'm making this a $5.37 moneymaker. This next deal is on the Temptations puree. That's in the wrong spot. It's in the wrong spot because it is priced at $2.63. So you're gonna grab one. You'll be getting that back free on Fresh Reward. Now, when I scanned my receipt, it picked up the $2 one as well. So it made this a $2 moneymaker. And so we're definitely doing this deal again on the Clara sale. It's priced at $5.27. We're gonna grab one of them, and we'll be getting back 1,500 kicks on Shopkick, which is $6, making this a 73-cent moneymaker. And of course, we're doing the Dove Men Care deal again, priced at $2.47. I feel like I'm the only one that's buying these at $2.47. You're gonna grab one of them and you'll be getting back 1,035 kicks on Shopkick, which is $4.14, making that $1.67 moneymaker. The other thing that I'm gonna grab over here is gonna be the Jergens as well. It's priced at $3.77. We're gonna use this $1.50 coupon right here from our inserts. You'll end up paying $2.27 out of pocket, but getting back $1 on Tada, $1 on Checkout 51. Making this only 27 cents. Now it's also on Ibotta, so if we get that back as well, it'll be a 73-cent moneymaker. This next deal is on the gold bond. They don't have any though. They're priced at $1.97. Gonna grab one. Use this $2 coupon from our inserts. It'll give you 3 cents of overage plus $1.50 back on Ibotta, making this $1.53 moneymaker. Next thing we're grabbing is the Dial 2-pack. It's priced at $1.57. I do have a Brand Club sorbet for $1.50, making this only 7 cents. And of course, what is life without KY? It's priced at $4.47. There's a $3 printable that does work with this. I am all out of prints, and my Ip Fairies don't have it, so I'm gonna pay that $4.47 out of pocket. If you have the coupon, you'll pay $1.47 though, and get back 1,450 kicks on Shopkick, which is $5.80. It'll be a $4.33 moneymaker for you. But I don't have that, so I'll just be getting back the $5.80, so it'll still be a small moneymaker for me. This next deal is on the Colgate Optic White Pro Series, priced at $9.96. Like, who pays that for a toothpaste? Sorry, crazy. We'll be getting back $3.50 on Ibotta, $4 on Inbox Dollars, and $3 on Shopmium, making this a 54-cent moneymaker. We're also going to be grabbing the Avizia deal again. It's priced at $8.97. There's a $5 printable from their website you can use. You'll pay $3.97 out of pocket and get back $3 on Ibotta, making this only 97 cents. And then there's this deal here on the Camfo Fanique, priced at $3.97. You're gonna grab 2 of them. You use the 4 off of 2 coupon from our inserts. You'll end up paying $3.94 out of pocket, but getting back $3 from Ibotta, making them only 47 cents each. I just happened to see this display over here. Kind of looks like 4th of July, right? They're normally $6.98. I just scanned one of them for $1.50. So I'm debating if I want to get the Stitch one and the Mickey one for Josiah. Kind of just throw it in his stocking, or just throw it under the tree. But I low-key feel like I should get the mini one as well. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and just grab a few of them. Actually, let's scan the rest of them and see how much they scan for. Yeah, $1.50, and then the Stitch one is $1.52. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and just buy one of each, throw them under the tree for Josiah. So yeah. All right, guys. So here is my complete haul for you guys for today. Minnie, Mickey, and Stitch decided to hang out for this clip. So everything worked out pretty good as far as today. The coupons for the Clorox, I tried using the IP. It scanned perfectly fine. And I also used the insert as well. Coupons for Gold Bonds scanned. Everything else pretty much worked out perfectly. Oh, as far as the fries, this deal I did get from Vons. They are 2 for $7. For Fetch Rewards, you're getting back $1.30 for each one, but I realized that it's 1 submission per receipt, so I got back $1.30, and there was also another rebate for $25 when you bought one. So we got back a total of, what is that? $1.55, I want to say. $4 on Ibotta because it was $2 for each one, and then I also submitted on Alexa for $1 for that. So it made it like really cheap, like less than 75 cents for both bags. The breakdown for that will be in the Google Doc though. I also grabbed 2 of the core bars from Vons as well. They're buy one get one free, and they're $2.50. So $2.50 for 2, and then I got back 50 cents for each on Ibotta. And then I also submitted on for the free one. Well, for one of them, not both of them, because it is 1 submission per receipt for the Venmo rebate, and got back $2.50 for that. So one I got back $2.50 for, and then 50 cents for each on Ibotta. Some of you guys are asking me for the core bars. Whenever you guys use my my link, it gives me a free one, and I have so many right now, and so I try to grab them whenever I can. It's 1 per receipt though. I did mention in the video that the Temptations, it did trigger 2 different rebates on Fetch Reward, so I got back an extra $2 for that. The water I did twice on both accounts. I posted this deal with the Ferrero Rocher on my community tab yesterday. This is a CVS deal. They are 2 for $6. I used dollar coupons. So for 2 of them, you'll end up paying $4 but getting back $8 on Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, or Tada. So I did 2 sets of 4 and submitted on, I think it was Tada and Swagbucks, and I got back $16. It did go into review, but I did get the credit this morning for that, so I got back $16 for each one, each set of 4 on that. What else? I didn't mention the poise. That's in the breakdown. It's the same deal I did last week. Other than that, that's basically it. What you don't see here is the ruffles. I shared that with you guys in one of my last videos. I also had a bunch of chips as well. If you guys didn't watch my last video, I donated all of my chips to a family homeless shelter here in my city, like 10 minutes from my house. So the only chips that I actually have here are these right here, but all of the other ones have been since donated. And so everything you see here retails $166.90. This is $8.90 in sales tax. I had $57.50 in coupons, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $109.40. Well, we got back, you guys. We got back a flipping boatload. All right, Ibotta, we got back $56.25. Shopkick was $41.40 between 2 accounts. ShopMium was $4. Inbox dollars $11.30. Venmo was $8.85. Favor Wiki was $10. Fetch Reward $6.06. Checkout 51 was $1. Brand Club was $1.50. Swagbucks was $16. Tada was $16. And Alexa was $1. So we got back a total of $173.36 in rebates, making everything you see here, you guys, free plus a $63.96 money maker, you guys. And even after our sales tax, it's still a $55.06 moneymaker. I did mention that I got everything back from Flavor Wiki this morning, which was awesome. It was $118, you guys, in rebates, which is crazy. Yeah, I was just hoping that everything was going to work out because I got so much on that receipt for that. And it was all stuff that I really couldn't take back because it was already opened. And so other than that, you guys, I will leave it there. You guys have the most amazing day whenever you're watching and wherever you're watching from. I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.